Good morning, guys. Well, when Songa Jen Zendaba on social media, I was trying to give it like a deaf ear, but I couldn't because it kept on popping and popping. It was my calling for me to talk about it. So let's dive into it. This issue of parents giving their kids luxurious gifts kubibuzo before nakola bibuzo PLE and then all that stuff, and some other parents were offended or felt bad because those parents were to take far this time round. Let me tell you, you've not seen anything. Like fetwasomera masomero ngabuli chimuje echiri. But you as a parent who cannot afford that lifestyle, what do you have to provide to your kid? Explain to them that life is never a balanced thing. Tuine mikone etano, watu inengalo like fingers, kumi, tano, nezo nate zenkana, that's life. Toja kubera ku same grade or same level. If you can afford a school umwana omugagali asomera mu bane woboli ko ku bursary, just understand that your parent cannot afford each and everything the other parent's kid can afford. Also, if you are to look at the things they give them, those are mere stuff. Some parents give their Gundi's kids money nga basobola n'okuteekawo open canteen. Kati omwana omuna agende mu depression because yeta sobola mama yeta sobola mu sentence teekawo open canteen kugulira abaana bintu birala. Also, there are some parents waliwo abazadde nga batwala abaana baabwe ku masomero ag'ebbeeyi. Nga amasomero ago maama oyo talina mmotoka omwana amuleetera ku booda. Kati maama n'abaleetera abaana baabwe mamotoka ag'ebbeeyi bafune we bagateeka eri ku stage bajje nga batambuza bigere okubaleeta. Are you also going to stop them from giving their kids snacks at school as a bay? Nana baba wa mata, baba wa conflicts, baba wa witabitsi, ne baba wa daddies, ne baba wa each and everything. Gwenga mama wa kuwadde kadomo la kajuisi ne 15. Should they die? Should they stop giving their kids that? Should those kids go ebyokulya babirire mu staff from gabana tebabalaba? Yeah, we were traumatized, and I feel for MC Katz, really. I feel for him, because if I were the one, let me tell you, there is a lot I didn't get. But at the end of the day, I didn't feel so bad because I could not get, because I could understand the situation of my parents. They could not afford then. But if I get the opportunity, I'll make sure I give my kid the best there is. Because what? Because abazadde tebasobola ku affording lifestyle y'abalala babere nga tebasobola kolera baana baabwe bintu bisanyusa olw'okuba oli tasobola kukya affordinga. This is one thing I will tell those other parents who cannot afford Bambi. We understand where you're coming from, and we know that money is far-fetched lately. Ate fena tesobola kubeera ku level yemu. All you can do for your kid is like show them a lot of love. Show them that yes, right now we don't have, but in the future we might get, and we might be even better than those that you're seeing in a luxurious life. Comfort them with what you have, that is love. Explain to them, give them the knowledge of life, because bagenda kufulume somero very soon, and they're still going to face the same thing. Wanafuna colleague we obaba best friends. Be baba na bemuteka mu ekitima nga yalowooza. It's not okay for other parents to like gift their kids with the luxurious life. No musanga in life aina chali we nenga tamwagaliza kambolo yafuna ngate nungi ero yafuna gundi. So at the end of the day, you're not going to oust all the rich kids from school because you cannot afford a luxurious life. You cannot provide luxury to your kid. Train them that this is the life they are going to find out school. Yeah, these are the very challenges. They not only stop in school. You're going to have friends bemwasoma naye mu fulume ovuge bima nga yetavuganga ko wadda akagaali agenda kugenda toyo munno olw'okuba yetasobola ku affordinga oba agenda gamba munne gwe motoka yeto givugira ku kkubo munno kulaba. Like, that is life. Let's be realistic. Let parents do what they can for their kids because they deserve it. Some of us were like, Bana, I wish my Zelinako term Jabatampa. I think that was in my my P7. My colleagues are going to laugh, but facts. I didn't receive any what is it called? Any success card. I didn't. But my auntie had some money. Ngaina abana bekumpi baba wabangu omutwalo gwa kadzi. nga mulimu sente nga mulimu chi. So me and my other cousin chetwakula, because tetwafuna success cards, we wanted to keep up with the life in school because we expected kids to have those many success cards. What we went on doing is kwata ziri success cards zabali enkadde netuzisangulamu amanya nga tugamba anti gundi netujjawo erioli netugigisawo amalusu. I don't know if you've ever said that. Nga ababbi b'ebitabo mwali mukwatanga amalusu ne mujjako erinnya ly'omwana lyabadde awandiise ku kitabo ekitabo n'okitwala. So that's what we did. Netutwala success cards. People were like, bannaye ramwesimi, but yo, no one could know that tebatuwa success cards. But at the end of the day, these are women we are. We are proud and we are able to like persevere through each and every situation that comes to us. These kids are going to grow up to be fighters. Yeah? Ngabajja mu mbeera yenna. Tell them it's okay for the other one to have more than what you have. Tell them it's okay for you not to have what they have. Tell them it's okay and this is the very life you're going to find outside. You're not going to kill a person because tosola kwa affording an iPhone 14. This is the same goddamn life. So if you keep on telling people simanya ate success cards mziba were mbuliri mziba were mu office wanaafuluma na jene nga amaze okusoma agenda gamba Luwi akwata iPhone 12 nga yakwata 8 into why esimu yetu agikwatira in public waliwo omuwala atalina iPhone atamugamba nti bannaye tovuga Subaru yo because waliwo omwana avuga Sipasio. No, that is life. And it's not okay for you guys to be taking things so personal to the core that you start even abusing and insult people for doing and treating their kids right. Faba na Uganda ba faba Africans twina this one thing like tetuwa bana baffe love emala. But let me tell you, you as a parent who can afford a luxurious life for their kid, when money is there, please spoil them. Because chibayamba even mentally. Some of us are traumatized we feel like our parents didn't love us enough. We couldn't pay school fees in time. Tebasobolanga tuchalira on VDs. Nga video etuuka gwe ubona atalabikako ate ng'okimanyi deep down that tagenda kujja. More so, why do you have to take your kid to a very expensive school that you cannot afford? Mutwale wali bali eribe bawe ebinyebwa. So that newe banamuwa kagati ajagambu wai nange bampaddeyo kagati. Ne buli wono mutwala kusomereze bei nga bali eri shopping y'omwana bagikolera mu million 2. Nga school fees basasula million 2 ne shopping y'omwana ne upkeep ne bamwaye mitwala 5. Bro, your kid is going to be super traumatized. The only thing you're supposed to do as a parent is try to teach them how to work with the situation. Let them befriend the rich. That is all. Period.